Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick video where I talk about how you can take your gym from this to the point where you'll get this kind of reaction on the internet. Hang out and let's talk about it. So I usually try to do a full clean of my gym every 4 to 6 weeks. Sometimes it's longer than that. Sometimes it's more frequently than that. Just kind of depends on what I've got going on as well as what state the gym's actually in. It's just me training up here, so it's not a huge deal if it goes longer. I usually clean my barbells in the same cadence, but I won't go over that today. But the main thing I'm doing here is just knocking off all the dirt, debris, loose chalk off of everything. From there, I'll move everything off of one side of the gym so that I can vacuum that area. This is LVP that we've got as the floor here. It's pretty easy to maintain. Then I'll move everything back, then move everything over from the main part of the gym to that opposite wall, and then again follow the same process of vacuuming. You can see even after vacuuming, the chalk is still stuck to the floor. The best method that I found to get that chalk off the floor is to actually use warm water and a solution of distilled vinegar mixed in with it. I just eyeball it, and I'm sure there's some special concoction out there that's a good balance of how much water to vinegar ratio to use. But I just splash it in there, and then I just take a simple mop that I got off of Amazon and just scrub everything down. Nothing fancy. I'm sure there's other products out there that are quote unquote better for cleaning, but again, this process works for me in my gym. And then I'm done. At that point, everything looks nice and shiny and clean. Got to give it some time to dry before I can come back and set everything up. See here, 4 or 5 hours later. That's usually about how long I'll wait. Again, there's no definitive time, just enough time for to make sure everything's dry. You can see how much better, especially this deadlift platform area looks with that chalk cleaned up. Hospital-like. Finally, it's just a matter of putting everything back in its place. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, anything I didn't cover, if you got any advice, anything I could do differently. Definitely love to hear from you guys. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things that bump the algorithm. We'll see you on the next one.